You're a short motherfucker and nobody likes you. Short. Look how fucking short the guy is. And that stops you from forming meaningful relationships. Said, but then the doctor said, wait. The bitty bitty body, and I hate it. Because it was a child. Right? Right? Yes. Don't. Loot that body, gotta loot that body now. Loot that body, loot that motherfucker. That kid's body. Bitch. So good. Loot that body, gotta loot that body now. Loot that body, loot that motherfucker. Yes! Okay, wait. I used to know all the lyrics to this one. Always cool, I know. Oh, yeah. Yeah. My name is Zink, y'all. Old school. This is a bold man. I had a class to rescue the princess. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. Oh, thanks, old man. That is really, really nice. I can always count on you for some advice. Required to shape precise. Oh god, it's not a sword, it's your dick in disguise. Yes, I can lie. I have painted my swing. Destiny, if you know what I mean. Wait a minute, Link, don't leave the cave. Where do you think you're going? You're glowing. That was weird, but whatever. There is no time to lose. Tom Cardi, so you all look him up. We know Tom Cardi. We love Tom Cardi. I wish more of his songs got animated. Maybe if I learn animation, I can animate my favorite Tom Cardi song. Says to hold on, I mean, Link. Man, is that you? It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. Duh. Look, I know I wear the tunic, but I'm not into men. Tom Hardy? Also a good Tom. That's just screw. Sound and then you know you're gonna grab her. Oh my god. Really don't know where I am. God damn it, old man. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. There's a really good Ninja Sex Party song, and I love the animation. Also, fun fact, I met Dan Evden. Hehe. Game Grumps was doing a live tour, and they came to Toronto, but the tickets were sold out. Plus, I could not afford it anyways. But, so they came to Toronto, and I didn't get to go to the show, but I went to an arcade bar that was near their venue, and fucking Dan Evden was just there. I was like, oh, he was very sweet. Ninja Sex Party, Mansion Party. I think this is my favorite one. Hey girl, welcome to my sex party, baby. Oh, I don't know the new car one. The models too. More than the country off the road. And I'm the queen. Wait. Can't stop, won't stop. Racing to the night. It's a mansion party. You don't know that. In the light, it's a mansion party. Spanish French doors, I just realized. I've gone too far. Gone too far. Can't stop, won't stop dancing. Ooh, yeah. I'll play in a second Obsidian after this one. And if you're feeling naughty. Wait, why is this card doing this? It's a mansion party.